Hello guys, welcome to the 11th HTML tutorial. And in the last tutorial we saw that how to make ordered list. Ordered list means a list like this. You are making a list and you see the numbers like 1 2 3, but sometimes you don't use the numbers, you use circles, you use squares and those kind of stuffs. For those kind of list we use the word unordered list in the field of HTML. So in today's tutorial we will see how to make those kind of lists in your HTML and also a little bit about nested lists. So I will quickly go through this unordered list because it is very much similar to the ordered list. So the program that we made was this. Okay, so here we have seen that we have used OL because this is the program that we had written during our last tutorials for the ordered list. We see here my favorite stuffs, and then we have made a ordered list using OL tags, and here li tags for the list item. OL for ordered list, li for list items. Here we have mentioned our list items: iPad, Mac and phone. So today we are going to use the same my favorite stuffs, but this time we will be making unordered list. Okay, and then again we will see how to put here circles and how to put here squares. So for unordered list, you might easily guess it will be UL tag. For ordered list it was OL, for unordered it will be UL. So we will just change it here. Everything else will be same here. Control S. For the list items we will be using li. We are not going to change that. List item will be again iPad, Mac and phone, but for here to defining the list we will put here ul. We will save the file, we will come back to the browser and then we will refresh it. We can see here it's now our numbering 1 2 3 that is gone now, and we can see here the circles, and as you can easily guess this is the default presentation of unordered list for the circles. Now we can use the attribute type the way we used in our ordered list to define what do we want to see as a tag for our list. I'll use the word tag. So it could be disk, the first thing. So if we will use the type disk, then we will see these same circles. These are disks in terms of HTML language. For circles, if we use here circles, only three types are possible: disk, circle and square. So if we use circle, then we will see here like this, that is circle. So if you use disk, or if you don't use anything, you will see the darkened circles, the circles that were totally black. But if you use the word circle, you will see circles like this. Now the third possibility with the type with our unordered list is square. If we use the type as a square and refresh our program, we'll see here the squares. So that was all about unordered list. It wasn't too much and it was very much similar to our ordered list. Okay, so I think you guys have understood how to make the list. So now we will go to nested lists. So what is nested list? We make a list, then for some item in the list there is another list. So like here for phone, if we use like we want in the phone, we want to use phone as another list. Like I'm going to mention some of the phones inside this phone. So this will be a list inside a list. So what we have to do actually here is we will be actually using I can use here iPhone, Android, Control S. Now this will be list inside a list. I'll save this file and I'll refresh it so I can see here. This is iPhone, Android. This is list inside a list. So I have used here unordered list tag. So the default for the unordered list is actually darkened circles, but we here see it is circle. So actually when you are making listed lists, so it's not necessary that you will see the default one. They have their order. So I have used here squares, so here they used the circles. So if I make here circle, they will be using something else. They will not use circles. But then oh sorry, that's unpredictable. Yeah, whatever. So it's like the idea is they will not be using the default one, but we always have the control over what we want to see here by using type. Okay, so this is the way we present. Now one more thing. In fact, we can put an ordered list inside an unordered one and an unordered list inside an ordered one. So like here, instead of using ordered list, we unordered list, we are going to use ordered list. Control S and refresh it. You see here inside our unordered list we are seeing here ordered list. Here we have used circles and here we are using numbers. So this is the way we make our nested lists. So that was all about our lists, and in the next tutorial we will be looking at maybe how to make tables. I'm not sure, but that was all about the lists. So keep watching tutorials and just let me know how can I improve my tutorials, and how can I make it more useful for you guys, or something else you want me to cover in web development. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thanks, bye.